Why can't I find somebody else when I know that you're doing wrong? It's so hard to let go. I went through just about a box of tissue, baby, and you're looking at me like you ain't the issue, baby. And even though I tried to leave, can't stop missing you, baby. I keep coming back. Keep going in circles, round and round. The way you're doing me so wrong, I just keep holding it down. I feel so stupid, foolish, loving you all this way. But what can I say? I wanna go, but I keep coming back.